Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2010 government pass question number 44. And the question number 44 says Nigeria was classified as a front line state for dash. Nigeria was classified as a front line state for dash. When we talk of classified, that it means that Nigeria was the champion for dash. A. Spearheading the formation of African Union. B. Supporting the liberation effort in South Africa. C. Helping to end crisis in Liberia. D. Participating in peacekeeping in the Togo. Actually, Nigeria participated in all this, but during colonialism period, that was in the 1960s, Nigerian champion what we call the colonization of Africa states. So Nigeria support the liberation efforts in South Africa. So if you read the history of South Africa, you understand better the efforts or the contribution of Nigeria government to the independence of South Africa as a state or country. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.